What day is it? Oh no! Okay. First day of school. I got it. Hello. Here for you. Yay. Schedule. First period. I have my laptop and my Chromebook. You have to show me backpack first. Oh. Here's my backpack. Is it also big here? That's cute. And then I have my calculator. Okay. Is that it? Wet ones. For baby's bottoms. Yeah, you have... Audrey! You took like 5. Do you want to see mine? There you go. That's cute. I ordered one. You did not do a thorough. Yeah, you didn't do a thorough one. Okay. I didn't. I have $1.45. It is scrumptious. These are my dogs. I'm good. You put them on. Whoa. Let's go to second period. I'm not having fun. Oh my god, it's so hot today. Audrey, show the fit. Okay, just sunglasses. They're pink when I was little, and they have a tiara right here, and they have gems, and they have a princess. My favorite princesses: Ariel, Tangled, and Belle. Stop. Tangled? It's Rapunzel. Whatever. So DNA. And then it says believe. Hey guys, they don't have the second period. Yeah. I tried, but I have glasses. It's Blind the Tigers today. Say something. Oh, my bad. What do you want me to say? I don't know. Say hi. Hi. Look at her sunglasses. What color are they? They're like pink, so they match my shirt. And this vintage little vest that I got. And I love it. Go follow Simply Hadley One because that's it. That's dope. That's good. Anyway, thanks for watching my vlog. I love you guys. One tip a day. Oh, one tip a day. Learn your music. Learn your music. Practice. That's my tip for today. This is Mari, my lovely wife, here for band camp day. Not band camp, days. Sectional number 2. This is Thomas. He is tenor sax section leader. That's Alyssa. This is our drum major. This is our drum major. Hi, welcome back to the Bree 2.0 vlog. Whoop whoop. Okay, so side eye. We don't like her anymore. Say hi to vlog.
Oh. Hi.
I said.
What do you want me to say?
Welcome to today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. With Raid Shadow Legends, you can collect them. I don't know. This is the saxophones. Hey, saxophones! On YouTube now. Congrats. Say hi to your mom. Hi. What? So that little silence right there. What that silence does is it holds.
What's the Spirit Week today? Spirit Day today.
Today is Jersey because hold on, I have the thing. This is the theme. Can you read it?
Mm-hmm.
It says, team up to win the bell. Jersey. So, I got the jersey.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never.
Or the bathroom smells dank, and Maya sprayed perfume everywhere. What day is it, Audrey? Oh, ma'am. Hold on. Wait. Not it. What day is it? City of Gold. Gold out. So, no, like, what's today? What? Oh, it's the bell game. It's bell game day.
I know. We love. Okay, wait. Step in the sun.
Hey, what's up?
Bell game. Bell game day.
Bell game. We're gonna win.
Come over here. Gracie's talking. Okay, hi. Okay, you can go back. Gracie.
Hey, what's up, vlog? This is the bell game. You know, my last bell game. You know, last everything. Oh my gosh. So yeah, fit check. Got the tutu going on, and what's up, Bree? What's up?
Wait. I need to do a section.
What?
This is Alan. Say hi, Alan. So another tip I would recommend is wear workout clothes. Hi. Vlog.
I'm like,
Wait, the lighting's so good here. Look at us. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, there we go. Anyway, anything you would like to say to the vlog? Okay, that's it.
I don't know what I was gonna say.
Joanne, anything you would like to say to the vlog?
Get hype. Well, actually,
It's her birthday today, guys.
I like it was like, oh, hey. I love that.
Okay, this is the end of my vlog. Ciao, ciao. Stay in tune for... ciao, ciao. Ciao, guys. This is football game. Hi.
It's the bell game. We're like slaying right now.
Very safe.
Very slay.
Bell game. Second game.
This is gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Man, what does my dad have in common with Nemo? They both can't be found.
What day is it? Oh, no,
Say hi.
hi. Already my face paint. It's fun. Hello, this is section number 3. We're doing random. What do you like to say to the vlog? It's for Hadley. Something for the vlog?
Finance. My vlog.
This is the color guard section. This is Jacob. Jacob, what would you like to say to the vlog?
Vlog? Oh. Bend over, touch your toes, and I'll show you where this monster
Okay,
is.
bye.
You know who's weird? This rat.
Yeah.
And that rat. And that rat over there. Oh my god.
Ari's boyfriend brought us cookies.
We deserve it.
Wait, you got cookies?
What'd you say?
Personal foul. Off.
My throat's dying.
Thank you,
I'm rocking.
Why are you hugging? Kitty, kitty, come here.
Hi.
Number 4, I think. 3, 4. Okay.
Hi guys.
So this is Bree's section number 4. I'm here with the creator herself. Please follow her. Love Hadley. This is Hadley's vlog.
Who?
Hadley.
Who's that?
I love Hadley. Over there. Would you like to say something?
What? To who?
At the vlog.
It's the vlog, the YouTube vlog. Vlog. Hi, vlog.
Hi vlog.
My voice is dying. Ah.
What's up, vlog? We're at the football game right now. This is the vlog. Oh yeah. Sponsored by Simply Hadley One. Love you.
I know them. Whoa, they got 4 volunteers. It's like,
I can't hear them.
I mean, they're facing that way.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Let me steal this. Final bell game.
We won.
Final, we won. Yeah. Lots of fun.
My voice is dying.
Me too.
We have rehearsal tomorrow morning, and
No, we
then...
don't. No, we don't.
Yeah, we do. Are you like... Okay.
Oh my god, is that the bell game vlog?
Yes. Say hi.
Oh, sorry.
Hi guys, so we're recording. It's kind of dark, so you can't see.
Wait, hold up.
Like you can see that.
We won the score.
We did.
Yeah.
It was like 50 something to like.
No, it was 56 to 21.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
No, like it was at 21 like before third quarter even started. So like they just stayed
No,
there.
they just yeah.
So that
They
was a little
crashed and
crazy.
burned. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, but the Frosh game that yesterday they also won.
No, that was JV actually.
Okay, whatever.
It was-
Anyways.
Ew, it just flashed my forehead. That was so
Whatever.
awkward.
wait.
Oh. I have it on military time because I feel like it like
Okay, it's
makes my
22:10,
brain
which
work
is like
harder.
10:10 right now.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways. Ooh, hi. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so it's like 10. Thanks to all my friends for vlogging for me.